Hello student, today we will discuss product of vectors. Vector quantities possess both magnitude and direction. Hence, their algebraically product is not possible. The obtained quantity by the product of vectors may be vector or scalar. Product of vector quantities are as follows. First, scalar product. Second, vector product. So first we will discuss scalar product or dot product. If there are two vectors, A vector and B vector, then scalar product between them is denoted as A vector dot B vector is equal to magnitude of A vector magnitude of B vector cos theta, or we can write A vector dot B vector is equal to AB cos theta. Here theta is the angle between vectors A vector and B vector. Thus, the product of the magnitude of the two vectors and the cosine of the angle between them. Since A, B and cos theta are scalars, therefore the dot product of A vector and B vector is a scalar quantity. That is why dot product of the two vector is also called scalar product. It is clear? So next, scalar product of two vectors in terms of their components. First, A vector dot B vector is equal to A B cos theta. Second, A vector dot B vector is equal to B A cos theta. According to first, B cos theta is a projection of vector B on vector A vector, the component in the direction of A vector. It means suppose two vectors A vector and B vector, the angle between them is theta. So drop the perpendicular on A vector, so it is B cos theta, horizontal component of B. In second, A cos theta is a projection of vector A vector on B vector or the component in the direction of B vector. It means here A vector, it is B vector, angle between theta, drop a perpendicular on B vector. So it is A cos theta. Clear? Next, properties of dot product of vectors. First, scalar product is commutative, that is A vector dot B vector is equal to B vector dot A vector. Second, scalar product is distributive, means A vector dot B plus C is equal to A vector dot B vector plus A vector dot C vector. Third property, if two vectors are perpendicular to each other, then dot product of the two becomes 0. That is, A vector dot B vector is equal to 0. We know that A vector dot B vector is equal to magnitude of A vector, magnitude of B vector cos theta, or we can write A vector dot B vector is equal to AB cos theta. Since theta is equal to 90 degree, therefore cos 90 is equal to 0. Or we can write A vector dot B vector is equal to AB cos 90. Or we can write A vector dot B vector is equal to 0. It is important property. Next property, as by definition A vector dot B vector is equal to AB cos theta. The angle between the vectors cos theta is equal to A vector dot B vector upon AB. Or we can write cos theta is equal to A vector dot B vector upon magnitude of A vector, magnitude of B vector. Or we can write theta equal to cos inverse A vector dot B vector upon AB. Clear? Next, fifth, scalar product of two vectors will be maximum when cos theta is equal to maximum is equal to 1. That is, theta equal to 0 degree. That is, vectors are parallel. So, A vector dot B vector maximum is equal to AB. Next, 6. Scalar product of two vectors will be minimum when magnitude of cos theta is equal to minimum means 0. That is, theta equal to 90 degree. So, A vector dot B vector minimum is equal to 0. Next, 7. When we take dot product of a vector with itself, then we get square of the magnitude of vector. That is, A vector dot A vector is equal to A cos 0. So we can write A vector dot A vector is equal to A square, since cos 0 is equal to 1. Next, eighth, scalar product of unit vectors. Unit vectors in the x direction I cap, in the y direction j cap, and in the z direction k cap. I cap dot I cap is equal to magnitude of I cap cos 0. The magnitude of unit vector is always equal to 1. So we can write I cap dot I cap is equal to 1 since cos 0 is equal to 1. Or we can write j dot j is equal to 1. Similarly, we can write k cap dot k cap is equal to 1 and I cap dot j cap, the angle between I cap and j cap is 90 degree. So the magnitude of I cap, the magnitude of j cap cos 90 degree. So magnitude of I cap 1, magnitude of j cap 1 and cos 90 0. Since cos 90 is equal to 0. So we can write I cap dot j cap is equal to 0. Similarly, we can write j dot k is equal to k dot j is equal to k dot I is equal to I cap dot k cap is equal to 0. Next, ninth, scalar product of two vectors a vector and b vector is equal to the sum of the products of their corresponding rectangular components. Let a vector is equal to ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap and b vector is equal to bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. So a vector dot b vector is equal to ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap dot bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. So first dot product ax I cap with bx I cap plus by j cap and bz k cap. So ax I cap dot bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap plus next dot product of ay j cap with bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. So ay j cap dot bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap plus next dot product of az k cap with bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. So we can write az k cap dot bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. We can write dot product ax I cap dot bx I cap. Next, ax I cap dot by j cap. Next, ax I cap with bz k cap. So ax I cap dot bz k cap plus next ay j cap dot with bx I cap. Next, ay j cap dot by j cap. Next, ay j cap dot bz k cap. So we can write ay j cap dot bx I cap plus ay j cap dot by j cap plus ay j cap dot bz k cap. Similarly, we can write next az k cap dot bx I cap. Next, plus az k cap dot by j cap plus az k cap dot bz k cap. Or we can write ax bx I cap dot I cap 1 plus ax by j cap dot I cap 0 plus next ax bz I cap dot j cap 0 plus ay bx j cap dot I cap 0 plus ay by j cap dot j cap 1 plus ay bz j cap dot k cap 0 plus az bx k cap dot I cap 0 plus az by k cap dot j cap 0 plus az bz k cap dot k cap 1. Or we can write a vector dot b vector is equal to ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. Clear? Next, examples of scalar product or dot product of two vectors. First, work done by constant force is the dot product of force F vector and displacement S vector, that is W is equal to F vector dot S vector. Second, power of is the dot product of force F vector and velocity V vector, that is P is equal to F vector dot V vector. Next, example related to dot product. First example, first a constant force F vector is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap Newton produces a displacement of S vector is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap meter. Then what is the work done? Solution, we know that W is equal to F vector dot S vector. Put the value of F vector and S vector. 2ik plus 3jk plus 4kk dot 2ik plus 3jk plus 4kk. So W is equal to first dot product of 2i cap with 2i cap. So I cap dot I cap 1 and 2 2 ja 4. Next dot product of 2i cap with 3j cap. So I cap dot j cap 0 plus dot product of 2i cap with 4k cap 0 because I cap dot k cap 0. Next dot product of 3j cap with 2i cap 0, j cap dot I cap 0. Next 3j cap dot 3j cap j cap dot j cap 1 and 3 3 ja 9. Next 3j cap dot 4k cap 0 because j cap dot k cap 0 plus 4k cap dot 2i cap 0 because k cap dot I cap 0 plus 4k cap dot 3j cap 0 because k cap dot j cap 0. Next 4k cap dot 4k cap 16 because k cap dot k cap 1 and 4 4 ja 16. So W is equal to 29 joule. It is final answer. Next example 2. If the magnitudes of two vectors are 2 and 3 and the magnitude of their scalar product is 3 under root 2, then find the angle between the vectors. Here A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, A vector dot B vector is equal to 3 root 2 as A vector dot B vector is equal to AB cos theta. So cos theta is equal to A vector dot B vector upon AB. Put the value 3 root 2 upon 2 into 3. 3 to 3 cancel and 1 upon root 2, or we can write theta equal to cos inverse 1 upon root 2, or theta is equal to 45 degree. Next example third. Find the angle between the vectors. A vector is equal to I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap and B vector is equal to minus I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap. Solution, magnitude of A vector is equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus minus 1 square or under root 6, and magnitude of b vector here minus 1, so minus 1 square, here 1, so plus 1 square, here minus 2, so plus minus 2 whole square is equal to under root 6. So a vector dot b vector is equal to I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap dot minus I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap, or I cap dot I cap minus 1 plus 2j cap dot j cap 2, here minus k cap dot minus 2k cap plus 2, so we can write is equal to 3. Therefore cos theta is equal to a vector dot b vector upon magnitude of a vector magnitude of b vector. Put the value 3 upon root 6 into root 6, or 3 upon 6, or 1 upon 2. Hence theta equal to 60 degree. Next example 4. Prove that the vectors a vector is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap and b vector is equal to 2I cap minus j cap are perpendicular to each other. Solution: perpendicular to each other means a vector dot b vector is equal to 0. So first we can write a vector dot b vector. Put the value of a vector and b vector. I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap dot 2I cap minus j cap. Here k cap is 0, so plus 0 k cap. So first I cap dot 2 I cap 1 into 2, because I cap dot I cap 1 plus I cap dot minus j cap 0, I cap dot 0 k cap 0 plus 2j cap dot 2I cap 0, 2j cap dot minus j cap 2 into minus 1, since j cap dot j cap 1 and j cap 2j cap dot 0 k cap 0, and next 3 k cap dot 2 I cap 0, 3 k cap dot minus j cap 0, next 3 k cap dot 0 k cap 0, 3 into 0, so 2 into 1 2 minus 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 0 equal to 0. Hence a is perpendicular to b vector. Next example 5. Find the value of m so that the vectors a vector is equal to 2I cap plus mj cap plus kk cap and b vector is equal to 2I cap minus 2j cap minus 2k cap are perpendicular to each other. Solution: as a is perpendicular to b vector, so a vector dot b vector is equal to 0. So put the value of a vector and b vector. 2I cap plus m j cap plus k cap dot 4 I cap minus 2 j cap minus 2 k cap is equal to 0. Or first 2 I cap dot 4 I cap 2 into 4 because I cap dot I cap 1. Next 2 I cap dot minus 2 j cap 0. 2 I cap dot minus 2 k cap 0. Next m j cap dot 4 I cap 0. And next m j cap dot minus 2 j cap m into minus 2 because j cap dot j cap 1. And next m j cap dot minus 2 k cap 0. And next k cap dot 4 I cap 0 and k cap dot minus 2 j cap 0 and k cap dot minus 2 k cap 1 into minus 2 because k cap dot k cap 1. So is equal to 0, or we can write 4 into 2 8 and minus 2m and minus 2 is equal to 0, or 2m is equal to 6 or m equal to 3. It is the final answer. And next 6. Example 6. A force of 7 I cap plus 6 k cap newtons makes a body moves on a rough plane with a velocity of 3 j cap plus 4 k cap meter per second. Calculate the power in unit. Power P equal to F vector dot V vector. Put the value of F vector and V vector. 7 I cap plus, here j cap is 0, so 0 j cap plus 6 k cap dot in V vector I cap is 0, so 0 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 4 k cap. So 4 I cap dot 0 I cap 7 into 0 plus 7 I cap dot 3 j cap 0, 7 I cap dot 4 k cap 0. Next 0 j cap dot 0 I cap 0 and 0 j cap dot 3 j cap 0 into 3 and j cap dot j cap 1 and 0 j cap dot 4 k cap 0 because j cap dot k cap 0. Next 6 k cap dot 0 I cap 0 and 6 k cap dot 3 j cap 0 because k cap dot j cap 0. Next 6 k cap dot 4 k cap plus 6 into 4 because k cap dot k cap 1. So 7 into 0 0 plus 3 into 0 0 plus 24, or we can write P equal to 24 watt. It is the final answer. That's all for